Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will explain what roles are, what they are used for, and how they help manage access in the system. A role defines what a user can see and what they can control. This can include doors, lights, climate control, scenes, and settings. We create roles in the user application. The reason roles are so important is simple. They allow us to separate permissions between different types of users. For example, we can create different roles for a guest, a cleaner, maintenance staff, reception, or an administrator. Let's see how this works. We start by creating a new role called Master. Inside that role, we add only the items we want that user group to access. For example, they may only be allowed to open a door. We can also apply time restrictions, but in this example, we leave access available at all times. This means that if we invite someone to the Master role, they will only be able to see and control that one door. However, there is one very important rule. Even if a user has the role, they still will not see anything unless that role also has a dashboard assigned to it. So we must create a dashboard as well. We name it Master, assign it to the Master role, and place the allowed devices on it. Now that user can see only that door and nothing else. We can do the same with a cleaning role. Here we might allow access to the light sensor, notifications, the door, and maybe control of the fan. But once again, we must also create a dedicated dashboard for the cleaning role. After assigning the dashboard, the user with that role will see only those items on their phone. The display itself will not have access unless we explicitly give it that role. The administrator who created everything will still see all devices. Roles are also very useful for intercom access. For example, if we want only a specific person or group to receive calls from an intercom, we create a separate intercom role and add only that intercom to it. Another common example is an office building with several offices. We can create Office 1, Office 2, and so on, so each office only controls its own blinds, lights, and doors. With roles, we can create limited access exactly the way we want. We can decide whether someone may enter only with a card, only through the app, only on certain days, or only during specific times. In short, roles let us fully customize who can access what, when they can access it, what they can see, and what they cannot see. And one last important reminder, if we want a user to actually see the devices inside a role, we must create a dashboard for that role as well. And that's it. See you in the next video.